Good evening, boys and girls. My name is Mr. Ortman, and I am the ITRT here at A.G. Richardson. And tonight, I'm going to be reading to you Get to Work, Trucks. The author of this book is Don Carter. In the morning, trucks go to work. One, two, three, 4. Big trucks, little trucks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Orange trucks, red trucks, green trucks, yellow trucks. These trucks have work to do. Stop! Truck's not moving. Truck's not working. Get to work, trucks. And there's the worker saying, go! They do have a lot of work to do. The loader lifts a big rock. The dump truck drops a pile of little rocks. The digger digs a hole, and the bulldozer fills a hole. The cement mixer mixes and mixes. Uh-oh, the tow truck fixes. The crane lifts the beam up high. The roller flattens the road down low. Big trucks, little trucks. They work all day long. Until the work is done. And in the evening, trucks go home. I hope you enjoyed this evening's book. I read this because my little boy, Ryan, loves trucks. And I'm hoping that he enjoyed the story, but I'm also hoping that all of you who watched tonight enjoyed the story as well. I hope you are enjoying your summer vacation. Have a great night. Sweet dreams.